Hi everyone, welcome to Audio Device Live. My name is Don and I'm with Kanto. And we actually have a fantastic new flagship speaker that we've never had up until now, and this is shipping next week, so it's ultra brand new. This is the new TUK Grand. So the TUK Grand features an air motion tweeter as well as an aluminum cone. It has some fantastic, elegant bezel treatment to give it something of a discerning look. It is available in 3 finishes. It comes in a white, comes in a black, as well as the walnut veneered cabinet you see here. Plays down to an almost 40 hertz frequency, which now we're getting to a very deep bass that it can produce for a bookshelf speaker. Important would be to know connectivity. So connectivity, you're going to have 2 RCA line inputs as well as a Bluetooth input. You're going to have optical, so if you wish to connect any high resolution devices you may. And it does also have USB-C. Great to connect to a computer should you choose, as well as it has a subwoofer output that can send frequencies to the subwoofer, and the remote control does in fact allow you to turn the crossover on and off for a subwoofer. So again, thanks for tuning in. My name is Don, and if you wish to know more, please visit our website at kantoaudio.com.